Hello guys and welcome back to Learn With Me. Today we will be talking about Python and this is our second episode. Last video we talked about how to install Python, how to set up Python and how to basically display hello world. Today we will be talking about these four topics: basic syntax of Python, indentation, comments and variables. So first of all, let's talk about basic syntax. Basic syntax, what I mean is how do you write Python that's different from Java. In Python it's straightforward. You don't have to, for example, print, like we saw. You write print, it's like this. While in Java, for example, if somebody came from Java, it's system.out.println. Even variables that we are going to talk about in this video, variables are basically, they do not need any type clarifications. While, for example, in Java, you have to write string or int or boolean, for example. Indentation, what do I mean by indentation? Indentation is, for example, if we're making an if or else statement that we will talk about in further videos, or a loop. So if I write print hello, okay, and we run it, it will work. But if we indent it and we do it, it will give us an indentation error. What it means is this is wrong. Python is indentation sensitive. That means that we always have to start here. Furthermore, when we're going to talk about more items, okay, let's define a function, for example. Function for now, about this in further videos. But let's say function. We don't have to know about this, we just have to understand indentation. See? What it does, it automatically does indentation. It means that this is the code that will work when we enter a function. The same thing goes for if and else statements that we're going to talk about in the upcoming videos. So make sure whenever you're writing your code, it has to be properly indented. Other thing is comments. So whenever you're writing a code, Python goes line by line. Whenever it sees this, it skips that part. What comes after it? So these things are only used as programmers to understand what's happening. Last thing is variables. So let's see, we write here variables. Okay, now this is a comment. Python will skip it. We have four types of variables. First one is integers, okay. Anything of that's a number. Then we have strings, which is basically between quotations, anything you write. Even 10, even learn with me, anything. Then we have boolean, like true or false. These are booleans. Then we have a last one, which is called a float number. Floats, it is like 1.0, for example. These are our four basic variables. We will talk about more furthermore. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.